Hello everyone, RLCQA here, and today I'd like to share with you my new main. And here it is, the X-Man Tornado V2M. This cube was such a surprise. I got this along with the Diane Zanchi Pro M and gave both a good breaking-in period of around 3 days. I did add just a little bit of silk in each cube and spent equal time with them. As a side note, the Diane Zanchi Pro M was excellent straight out of the box with the original settings and didn't even need lubrication. It is a solid performer and don't think you can go wrong with it. The colors are great and it has quite a blocky feel. The speed is also very controlled and the corner cutting is excellent. Now back to the Tornado. The colors on the Tornado are excellent and the turning is so smooth and soft. It is a very quiet but a fast cube with a lot of customizable features and a unique feel. Doing algorithms feel effortless, fast and satisfying. This cube makes you feel like cubing all day, and if you do, your hands won't get tired. And here are just a few turns and outs. Corner cutting is excellent, but yet the Tornado does not feel flimsy at all. Reverse corner cutting is also excellent. There is one thing I'd like to mention, and that is, out of the box, this cube did not feel great at all. But after setting it up, all I could say was wow. Here are the settings that I use. Here are a list of things you need to know. Even though it seems like there are a lot of adjustments to make, once you know them and you're willing to work through them, I believe you will have a new main. Thank you so much for watching and hope this video helps you decide if this cube is right for you.